Hello again at Maple Cell Phone and Laptop Repairs. Today we have iPhone XS Max. The customer said the battery is not holding the charge, so he brought it here for battery replacement. Today I will show you how to change the battery for iPhone XS Max. So we took out the iPhone from the heating place. So now we need to remove the two screws in the bottom. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe in the channel. So now we need to separate the LCD. Here we go. I always started with this plate in the top side because the battery is connected here. Almost the iPhone battery placement is all the same, just with the new models like 12 and higher versions, the motherboard is this side. So I disconnect the battery, and you can disconnect the air speaker and the Wi-Fi cable. We can heat a little bit again the battery to soften the tape under this one. So now we'll open a new This is a new battery. It has its own tape. Now we need to test it. Here we go. Don't forget to like the video and